really hard to video with them. There it is. Yep. There's another one right under you too. Even. There's a bunch in there, man. They all are. And that's just a, what, 3-foot section maybe?
Yeah.
We still have a whole bunch more to go through.
Alright, just a quick update. Hopefully everybody can hear me because it's pretty windy. This is entirely full of snakes. Walk back around the house. We finally got the ductwork all pulled out, but there's still a bunch of snakes in it, and then there's still quite a few underneath the house that we've seen. I think right now we're right at about 60 snakes. So we've got all of those, and all of those. Come right over here. And we've also got keep going. Alright guys, so we just crawled under here. We see a few more snakes. I just put my hand on one right there. I don't know how we're gonna get it out. Go in there. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Little one. Little one. There you go. Okay guys, so we made it under here, and as you can see there's 3 stacks of OSB board, and there are snakes underneath that side for sure. I'm not really sure what's under here yet. So what we're gonna do is pull this top piece off where we know the snakes are, and Hannah's gonna move them back out as I move the board. You ready?
Sure.
Okay.
Oh my god, there's a whole pile of babies.
Really?
Just like a whole bunch of the like itty bitty just born this year.
A bunch more babies. That's 3 I don't know about. We're gonna keep going. All right, so we started moving the second board, and there's more. So we have 5 more snakes to get. This is one, and then we have some bigger ones back in that back corner. Hannah's gonna come around. I'm actually gonna feed it out one of the holes over here, but we're almost finished. Okay. All right, guys, so we're down to our last 2. And this hole right here. Got it? Got one more baby, then we'll do the follow-up. Okay, guys, so we just finished up outside of Lueders. This is what we got. See ya.